Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to check battery health in Redmi Note 13 device. So guys, it is clear that we don't have any feature or we don't have any setting for checking up the battery health like an iPhone, but we have a trick in Redmi Note 13 device. So firstly, you have to go to settings and then go to about phone. Okay, so in this section guys, just tap on detail info and specs. Now tap CPU on 7 times. Click agree here, and as you see the bug report is now start creating here. Let's wait for the bug report. In the creating of the bug report, it may take some time, so don't worry. Now as you can see, the bug report is now created, so tap here. So firstly just tap on the bug report and then click to extract. Now go to internal storage. You can click to extract anywhere, so I'm going to documents and then extract here. Now again tap and click to Redmi Note 13. Click on any document reader. Okay, so I suggest you to WPS. Now after that guys, just tap on the bug report file. When you extract the file to your documents, then tap on the bug report, and then this interface appears when you compress to WPS. So tap here and then click to open document. Okay, as you guys see, the document is now start reading, but it is in processing, so just wait for some second, like 7 to 8 seconds. Okay, as the file is ready, now all you guys have to do, just go to edit here and then go to these four dots. Now here go to review. Now here go to view option and then tap to find and replace. Okay, so search about battery capacity. Search it. Okay, so this one is the battery capacity here. Just memorize this number 4619 mAh. This is the estimated battery capacity right now of your device. And as you guys know that Redmi Note 13 has default 5000 mAh battery, so we are gonna calculate it. So memorize this 4619 mAh, it means 4619, and go to calculator. Okay, so type 4619. Let's confirm 4619. Okay, and then divided by default battery 5000 mAh and multiply it by 100. So as you guys see, the current battery health of my Redmi Note 13 is 92.38%. So that's how guys we can find out the battery health in Redmi Note 13. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.